stream. We'll be acting on the signals from our channel today again. We're prepared to trade some gold right now. We've got our first signal coming in soon. For people who haven't seen it, here, this is what it looks like. So it says ready XAU USD. This is road to 50K. So we started this on Wednesday and we had 550 US dollars in profit that day. It's 5% increase on our portfolio. Let's see if we can top that today. In the meantime, let me just show you what the GPT can do. So this is Solvent GPT that you can see here, right? There's a chat. It's pretty minimalistic. There's a chat. There's a few prompts here if you don't know what to type or don't know what to ask. But if we dive straight in and say, give me the most undervalued. Oh, we've just been interrupted here because we got the signal for gold to buy. Gotta buy. Decrease the size. And we'll adjust the take profit, which is 3340. Let's see. Right. Let's put our stop loss as well. Alright, as we monitor this trade, I'm going to go back. Give me the most undervalued companies right now that will return the highest ROI and have the highest volume of insider buying activity with their names and roles. This is a neutral trade, but just been signified. Let's bring that back down. So momentum is still bullish, so people with a higher risk tolerance not recommended are still holding. Well, looks like we've got a higher risk tolerance, apparently. So we've instantly been given a list of stocks here and a very comprehensive analysis as well. So for those who, are working full-time jobs, this can completely cut down and save time for doing research, and just give you the answer that you want. Um, wow, it looks like, okay, got it's hit our take profit, but we did bring that take profit down because it was a neutral trade. The momentum is still bullish, however, there was a lot of risk coming into that trade, so it's fine. We'll break even, we're neutral with that one, and let's keep moving forward. So that's just some risk management for you. It's okay. $8 loss on a $11,500 account. That's okay. As I was saying, if you're working a full-time job, you don't have much time in your day. You've maybe got your 5 to 9, but you want to do other things, you want to enjoy life, you don't want to always be working. So these signals, as well as the GPT, but primarily the signals, can save you heaps of time. GPT, it's a mix of trading and investing and anything to do with the financial markets. But if you primarily just want to make a profit from trading, you can skip all of that and just go for the signals. And that's, why we've done that. It's, bar sort of autonomous trading, which is what we're introducing soon. This is the most efficient way you can make money on the stock market. So this is the signals chart, as I've shown you. So after that, ready, XAU USD, it's a bit blurry, but I hope that comes through. Then we had this straight from the GPT, that we have on the right screen. And it says recommendation, buy, which stock, entry, exit. And then there are notes after that as well to follow the trade. So it's a neutral and then some remarks as well. Let's just head straight into the next one. Okay, back to the GPT, right? Within a few seconds, it's given us these companies with insider ownership, revenue growth forecast, some highlights, 4 key points, as well as the market cap. So everything you need to know from what you've asked. There's no lack of information here. It's just, how do you ask your question? Any question that you have, any information you want to gather from the financial market, here it is, right? And it's very specialized for the financial markets. Because any other, platform, any other GPT, large language model, won't have this amount of data. Okay, so there's various examples here. Oh, we're already going straight into US 30. Looks like we're on fire today. Hopefully that reflects in the results. Could be seeing a reversal here. So we've just received the preliminary message to tell us that we're ready on the US 30. So let's get ready. I reckon it's going to be a buy because it's entering that oversold region. But a lot of volatility today. A lot of volatility. And we're going to capitalize on that. Going back to these stocks here. Let's see. Give me the insider. Give me the recent insider buying activity of ULCC. Names, quantity, roles, and all hard data. Let's see, could this be a reversal? In January, the CEO sold actually 593,000 shares. A lot of selling activity, so not much buying. Which means it could be entering a buy zone soon. Still waiting on this US 30 signal. Just waiting for the right opportunity to get in. Oh, this stock's actually doing pretty good. This is one that we found using the GPT last week. It was down at 90 cents. It's down here at 90 cents. And we asked it, we asked the GPT, give me a list of penny stocks that are most likely to boom in the next month. And this was one of them. I mean, were previously at $9 last year. Just come all the way down here. I think their all-time low was about 50 cents. Um, but the GPT did analyze it, and it's given an estimate of about $1.25 by the end of the month. Not too bad. If you guys have any questions, please do let me know. Just drop it in the chat. If you got stocks that you want me to have a look at, that you've been contemplating, or you're on the fence if you want to invest in it, we can do some analysis. Invariably, ask any questions about anything to do with the financial markets, trading, about me, even about the company. Okay. Maybe Euro USD looks pretty good. So, another thing this can do is take a screenshot of a chart. It can have any signal that you like to use. It can be premium signals that it's never even seen before. Take a screenshot, put it into the GPT. This is chart of Euro to USD. Give me a trade setup for scalping this in the next 10 minutes. That will have a 7 or more out of 10 rating for likelihood of being a successful trade. Well, it says a buy on Euro USD 12630, exit at 1.12650. Up there. Okay. Let's enter that. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's not one of the signals, but we'll enter it. And we'll do it on a low volume. Before we do that though, let's just reinforce it. Six out of 10, okay. Because it's decreasing, I'm gonna hold off. Let's hold off. Okay, US 30 though, rallying right up. Let's try again. Okay, we've got some selling pressure here. Take at 1259. Probably I can see there's a resistance and support up here. So I think we're gonna wait for the reversal, but could be another signal coming in soon. Just waiting. okay. Let's give it a list of stocks here, but there are two of the Mag 7s here. Let's ask, give me ones that have low price to earnings ratio, but at least 50% away from fair value. Alright, well, it's given us a few stocks here in the form of a chart. A few companies, current prices, estimated fair values, some discounted to fair value, price to earnings ratio. They're all low. They're all low. These companies span various sectors. It's important to note that while these stocks appear undervalued based on current metrics, investing in undervalued stocks carries inherent risks, of course. Therefore, conducting thorough research and considering your individual investment goals and risk tolerance is crucial. Of these stocks, which should I invest in? Ready on the US 30. Okay, something happened with that first one. The trade wasn't sent, but apparently it did hit the take profit. Got a buy here. Okay, buy at 41440, 41. Whoa. Take profit 41460. 41420. There we go, hit our take profit. Nice and easy. $100 up. That was very low volume, by the way. I was only using, yeah, I was using, I think, 20% of my account. It's good though, we're up. Let's try for the second take profit. Or 1880 is the, oh. Or 1480. Let's have another stop loss. Let's see. Let's put it at 4145. For 1440. Nice. A very successful trade there. Another 100, well, in total that's 195 on that one trade. Excellent. If you look here, this was the trade. Can't get it clear. But there were two take profits. One was at 41460. The second one was 41480. We took the first trade, exited at 41460, and then at 460 entered in again, and then went up to 480 and adjusted the stop loss, moved it up. If you look at the left, you can see the US 30 is just slicing down. So it hit our take profit, went straight down. It's coming right back up as well. So it's recommended here which 5 would work best in that portfolio. $2,000 in Nvidia, $2,000 in S&P 500. With 6,000 available, it's recommended these 5 countries, allocating 1,200 to each of them. Ready on the US 30 here. If you have a look on the right as well, we're creating a portfolio for the next 8 months. CDE, approximate upside of 59%. We've got 68%, 41%, 137%. Very promising numbers. EC chart. 137 upside. That is incredible. So what does it say? Fair value of 114. Goodness. How many people are following these signals? And if you are, how are the results for you? is the thesis behind the fair value I've given for EC. Pre-order set for US 30 41410. Okay, we've got a pre-order here. At 41410. We're gonna exit at 41440. And let's do, because it's a pre-order, I'm gonna still keep it low volume. And let's put the stop loss 41390. Add that. Let's see. We're in for the pre-order. Just put in a pre-order. The trade came in to enter at 41410, which we've just hit. So we're in the trade now. Exit at 41440. Waiting for the reversal. Okay, seems like we're a little bit early, but let's just sit on this trade. Do you guys have any companies that you want me to have a look at? Any tickers? Okay, we've got another signal here for gold. Yeah, got a buy here. 3338. Well, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the Signals live stream. We'll be back on Monday at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time for an hour until 10:30. And yeah, we had two very successful trades at the start. A neutral, one loss, and this last one was neutral as well. Um, yeah, it's been very choppy today, very tough. But we'll be back on